Hello Dogecoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Welcome back to another video, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Dogecoin latest update. What's going on in the Dogecoin? What's the current price of Dogecoin? What's the price in software in the Dogecoin, my friends? And you know what, again, Dogecoin, Elon Musk again promoted a Dogecoin. Today Elon Musk tweeted about the Dogecoin that Dogecoin is the future gold, my friends, future gem. So my friends, you know what, I think it's another opportunity for all of you. It's another chance for all of you to invest in a Dogecoin, my friends. You can see, my friends, that now again, my friends, the current price of the Dogecoin is very low, my friends. 0.194807 USD dollar is the current price of the Dogecoin. Just look here. That is the current price of the Dogecoin. And other side, if we talk about the changes occurring in the Dogecoin, so now the last hour, the last 1 day, last 1 week, changes occurring in the Dogecoin is positive, my friends. So from this, that's clear that Dogecoin is the future gem. You can see, my friend, that every changes occurring in the Dogecoin is positive. So why are you not investing in a Dogecoin, my friends? If the changes is positive, so that means that the price increase. And if the price increase, so that means that you are getting profit from a Dogecoin, my friends. You can see here, my friends, from 20 July, 21, 23, 24 July, that is the pumping days of the Dogecoin, my friends. And still, it is a continuous process of the Dogecoin, my friends, continue jumping, my friends. And my prediction is also going positive about Dogecoin. I hope that Dogecoin continue this jump for a long time and we get a high amount of profit from a Dogecoin, my friends, if you hold for a long time. Only long-term investor take a huge profit from a Dogecoin, my friends. Anyways, what you think about Dogecoin? Please share your opinion, your prediction in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.